Disclaimer. This training video on effective presentation is for training and information purposes only. The techniques and recommendations presented in this video are based on general best practices and experience. Please note that individual circumstances, such as specific company policies or industry-specific requirements, cannot be addressed in detail. The information contained in the video is not a guarantee of success in presentations and does not replace the need for individual preparation and practice. The content reflects the opinions and experience of the creator and makes no claim to completeness or accuracy in all situations. The creator accepts no liability for any direct or indirect loss, damage or inconvenience that may arise from the application of the content presented in the video. For detailed advice or special requests, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. All content shown in this video is protected by copyright. Any reproduction or distribution is only permitted with our written authorization. Welcome to the short part 7 of the Effective Presentation Training. In this part we will cover special features in online formats. This video tutorial is an extract from our one-day classroom training on the same topic. It is in the nature of online video training that it cannot replace classroom training due to the lack of interaction possibilities. So if you would like more in-depth training, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. This training module consists of 8 parts, each lasting between 10 and 30 minutes. At the end of each part, you will have time to reflect and make your own notes on the respective part. We hope you enjoy the training. At the end of the course, you know the methods for creating different forms of presentations in professional situations, both within your company and towards customers. You have an overview of the targeted use of presentation media and design elements as well as the preparation and visualization of data. You know about the possibilities of storytelling and how to convey your messages to the audience in an emotionally appealing way. You have an understanding of the effective use of voice, gestures and body language and understand the effect on how others perceive you. Now let's get started with the special features in online formats. Everything has changed since Corona. Let's therefore have a short look at the special features in online format. Different from presentations in presence, online formats need special preparations. Make sure that there is sufficient bandwidth at the location from which you are presenting. This is especially important for the uplink. Make sure that your location is free of background noise and visual interference. Use a background image if necessary. Familiarize yourself with the technical features of the application of your choice, Teams, Zoom, Slack, etc., such as video on-off, mute on-off, creating breakout rooms, split screen, allow screen sharing on-off, etc. Be in agreement with the audience on common rules. Raise your virtual hand if you want to contribute something. Questions are written in the chat. The default setting for video is on. The default setting for audio is off. Briefly explain the technical features of the application to the audience. Monitoring. If you have a second computer, desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone, use this to log in as well. This gives you a control monitor that shows you what the others are seeing. This is particularly helpful for presentations with many participants and limited bandwidth, as there are often delays when setting up slides. Whiteboard. If you would have worked with the whiteboard in the face-to-face version of the presentation, use appropriate digital tools, virtual whiteboards, in the online version. Whiteboard from Microsoft. Miro. Teams with built-in whiteboard functionality. Questions to the audience that would be answered in the face-to-face format by raising your hand can be replaced in the online version by poll tools, for example Monty.com. For your presentation, use tools such as the Prezi Video desktop app to appear in the foreground of your presentation. But avoid this. Try to avoid videos in your presentation, as the upload speed is often not sufficient to deliver a synchronized, smooth image to the recipients. It is practically impossible to use videos in your presentation that are being streamed at the time of playback, for example from YouTube. The downlink stream plus the uplink stream with your own video overwhelms most networks. Now lean back and think about your 3 key findings from this block. Write them down. Congratulations for finishing this 7th module of the course. Reward yourself and take a short break. We will see you back in Module 8, which is the last module of this course.